Hello friends, in this video I am explaining about regulating ICs. Regulating ICs. Regulating ICs. 7805 and 7809, 7812, 7815. This one is 5 volt regulation. This one is 9 volt regulator IC. This one is 12 voltage regulator IC. This one is 15 volt regulator IC. 7805 and 7809, 7812 12 voltage, 7815 15 voltage. All these are positive regulating ICs. Positive regulating voltage IC. Once again I am telling about 79 series, 7905. This is negative voltage regulating IC. This also 7909, 7912, 7915. This one is 5 volt. This one 9 volt this one 12 volt, this one 15 voltage. Now discussing about 7812. This one is 7912 negative voltage regulator. This one is negative voltage regulator. This one is positive voltage regulator. Now I am telling this first pin input, second pin ground, third pin output. If we give here 50 to 20 voltage, we will get only 12 voltage only. Regulated 12 voltage, we will get output 12 voltage. In this also, this one is first pin, second pin, third pin. First pin is ground, second pin is input, third pin output. If we give here 15 to 20 volt negative voltage in this pin, here we will get negative voltage 12 voltage only, negative 12 voltage only. Now I will this one 7812 regulator IC, positive regulated IC. Here input, this one input, here we have to give 12 voltage to 20 voltage. Then here this one grounding pin, ground pin, this one pin, second pin, and this third pin output. Here we will get 12 voltage regulated 12 voltage. Here one capacitor used. Here also, suppose here we use 1000 mF. Here we can 47 mF, 50 volt, like that. Now 79.2 IC we will discuss. 7912. This one first pin, and this one second pin, this one third pin. This one pin we have, this one we have to add ground pin. We have to ground this. Here we have to give negative voltage 15 to 20 negative volt. Here we will get negative voltage. Here we will get 12 voltage, regulated negative 12 voltage we will get. Here is output. Here also we have to use one capacitor, use 1000 mF, like that. Here 47 mF, 50 voltage, like that. This also here we can use. Now this one fifteen secondary transformer. This one AC 230 volt. Here we have to bridge diode. Here regulator IC, one pin input 7812, positive regulation. This one here ground. Here second pin, this one third out. Here we will get positive 12 voltage, regulated positive. Here one capacitor, filter capacitor, user 2000 mF, 30 volt, 35 volt, like that. Here we have to use 100 mF, 25 volt, 100 mF, 25 volt. This is this circuit regulation for positive voltage regulated output. Now I am explaining about negative voltage regulation. This one 0, 115 volt AC, 15 volt AC. This one secondary 15015 transformer. Here AC 230 volt input is output. Then now this one 0, pin number 2 here input minus 30 volt given here. Pin number 1 here grounded. Pin number 3 out 7912. Here we will get minus 12 volt. Here one capacitor using 2200 mF 35 volt. Here also one capacitor 100 mF 25 volt. This is negative voltage regulation. Now I will show dual voltage regulation. Now 15 volt AC, 15 volt AC. This one 0. AC 230 volt input. Here now bridge rectifier. Here positive, here negative. AC, here AC supply given. Now here this one is ground. Now I will show. Here positive regulation IC 7812 user. This pin number 1, it goes to pin number 1 input, and this one second pin grounded, and this one third pin output 12 voltage. Here one capacitor user plus 2200 mF like that, 35 volt. Here we have to use 100 mF 25 volt. Plus 12 volt, and then here 7912. Pin number 2 input, pin number 1 grounded, pin number 3 output, pin number 3 output minus 12 voltage out. And here also minus 2200 mF 35 volt, and here 100 mF 25 volt minus. So the minus regulation minus 12 voltage, and this one at this one is dual voltage regulation supply. By using batteries, how to we how can we get dual supply? Here is 12 voltage battery, here is 12 voltage battery, this one positive, this one negative. Here we have to connect serial. Here this one is negative, this one positive. You have to give direct here positive regulation. We have to use 7815, pin number 1 voltage input, and pin number 2 we have to give this here. This one is at ground, ground, pin number 2 ground. Here we will get pin number 3 output 15 volt regulated positive voltage. Here we will get and here we have to use 7915. It goes to input pin number 2 input. Here we will get minus 24 volt. Here we will get plus 24 positive volt. Here one pin grounded, and third pin out minus 15 regulated output. Now this one ground, this one dual supply. By using two 12 voltage car batteries or any batteries, we can get dual supply by using car batteries. Thank you. Please subscribe my video. By using batteries, how can we get dual supply. Here is 12 voltage battery. Here is 12 voltage battery. This one positive, this one negative. Here we have to connect serial. Here this one is negative, this one positive. We have to give direct here positive regulation. We have to use 7815. Pin number 1 voltage input, and pin number 2 we have to give this here. This one is at ground, ground. Pin number 2 ground. Here we will get pin number 3 output, 15 volt regulated positive voltage. Here we will get and here we have to use 7915. It goes to input pin number 2 input. Here we will get minus 24 volt. Here we will get plus 24 positive volt. Here one pin grounded, and third pin out minus 15 regulated output. Now this one ground. This one dual supply. By using two 12 voltage car batteries or any batteries, we can get dual supply by using car batteries. Thank you. Please subscribe my video.